What's going on, y'all? It's CS No. I'm so excited, man. I'm working on my own car, man. Let me cut this fan off real quick. All right, finally, I'm back on the blue Chevy, man. Y'all remember I took a break because I had a different car I was working on, and then this concrete pad. I didn't want to put no interior stuff in here until I got that done. Now I got the 4-post list that I'm gonna set up hopefully in the next 2 weeks. That'll be like my gift to myself for my birthday. My birthday is on the 13th of October. I'm so excited to have that. This car literally sat outside for like a year. Like, man, sat outside for a year. I'm about to clean all of the trash up out of here. This is not going outside ever again. Ever again. That's just exciting to say, man. So what we about to do is get the interior together. Started my list, man. The body, gotta do the drip rails and impact strips. So I be telling y'all, all my parts need to go out of here. So I went and pulled my drip rails out. Look at it. 2 packs of two packs of weather stripping for the windows, cracked, bent in half. So I'm buying some new ones. I tried to bend this one back in place. I don't even know how it looked like. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open it up and see how it look bent back, but I don't even want to deal with that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The inside strip on this car is good, but on my silver when they busted up, yeah, these still decent. The drip rails I'm getting from the orange parts car. The dash I was getting, not the orange parts car, but this one it's workable. I'm trying to see if I want to do something crazy to the dash or just wrap it and put some covers in there. I'm trying to talk as I remember. The wheels got to get clean, tires got to get clean. Doing the real bottom trim on this car. This did have it. This car did have it at a point in time, and you would know if your car had it if you have this hole right here, because that's the hole to mount it. And it's a little circle plastic nut. All right, this car did have it. So I'm getting the wheel wells trim back on there. Like, I'm trying to put all this stuff back on here. And some of the stuff I got, some of the stuff I gotta order. New front bumper, the back impact strip, putting all that stuff on. The 415 is about to come out today. It's been like umpteen years that it's been in there. That's coming out today. No, it's not for sale. I'm keeping it. Going with 1L7, the box already done and made. Full trunk getting built. Yeah, these coming out. Door panels getting done over. Cut the material real quick so I can show y'all the new color versus the old color that I put on there. And I'm going it back factory. I put the Broham door panels on here, but I'm changing it. All right, so this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to. Kind of like how it matched with that better. And this color, it matched on the dash, the bottom dash. So that's why I said I'm gonna go with that. Let's see. Oh, I got my light. Hold on, give me a second. I got stuff for this car everywhere, but all this is about to come out. I'm about to bust this boy down on time lapse for y'all, and I'm gonna do it in about, we'll say about a good hour, maybe less. But it's finally about to happen, man. Finally about to happen. I'm gonna play one song before I bust it down though. Everything out, got the new box that's going in. Should have made this thing a couple inches wider, but nah, that'll be good because you gotta get the things built around the trunk, the box pieces. But I think they're supposed to go back a little more. Nah, that's it. Whole inside bust down. I'm gonna go get the carpet out the house. Back deck area is part. These coming out. It's a kicker CS 5x7s or 6x9s, one of the two. They coming out. Do a 6.5 and they why is this bended up like that? 6.5 and let's see something. 6.5 and a tweeter back there with the factory hole. If it don't clear like I need it to, I'm gonna just do just a 6.5. I'll find somewhere else to put the tweeter. I don't want to cut it on this car right now. Eventually I'm gonna get to a point where I'm just like whatever, but just right now I don't want to cut on it. But let me see something new. All right, man. I'm gonna put the Instagram snippets right here. 1,000 watts, boy. This. No, we perfect, but we down close. Ooh. It do sound good. You got 4 6.5s right now, and then the factory speaker, so it's gonna have 8 6.5. What I'm shooting for, maybe I might have to settle for 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm gonna try to find a way to get all 8, but I might have to settle for 6. Try my hardest. 4 tweeters I know I can fit for sure though. But I'm gonna take this carpet out on the next video. Take this carpet out. Run all my wires for the LEDs. I'm gonna finish my top door panel pieces, put all that back on, and then rewire everything for the system to go straight down the middle. Cause I had to take all the doors, and basically the speaker wire that's in the door, I'm gonna switch over to the LEDs. So I'm gonna put the LEDs on the end, tape it together, pull the speaker wire out through the door, then the LEDs gonna be right there. And I'm gonna make sure I got enough to run it all the way up to the console. And then the speaker wires are gonna come out, and then there's gonna be 2 up there, 2 back here, and then the rest go in the back deck. Yep, that's how we're gonna do that. All right, I just put another carb on it. This is the old. Swapped them out, swapped everything over. So it should run now. I'm like, geez, can't win for losing. The other car don't got this. They don't got this cover on there. Filter and everything. Yeah, this car don't got that. I think they both 1406s. Nah, this is 1626. 1826? 1826. Yeah, I'm definitely taking that motor out of the gold Chevy and putting it in here. Only makes sense. Car been sitting for so long. This car been sitting. The gold Chevy, I was gonna sell it, but for the money I got in it, it's gonna cost me down near the same amount to swap this. So might as well just keep that car or sell it with a different motor and keep the motor. Alright, man, it started. Yeah, this motor definitely coming out. It's all sleep. I gotta let it sit for a little bit. This is a stock motor. Got an exhaust lead. That's what happens when your cars just sit forever. Alright, man, so that's it for this video. I did not expect to put a carb on here. And I got 2 carbs that I had to send to get rebuilt. If anybody could recommend me to somebody, please do. This motor is definitely coming out this car. Man, I ain't gonna let it run no longer than it got to. I don't want the motor to lock on me. It's definitely gonna need an oil change after all that. Yeah. Let's see, yes, man, I'm out.